ladies and gents, so this is the third time I'm trying this video. The first two times I had two little mice talk and they said they're one of the things I don't allow them to say when I'm in video. They forgot to call each other minions.
Minion.
Anyway, so today I'm doing a taste test Wednesday on the stuffed puffs filled marshmallows made with real chocolate. And I do have to say already that after doing it twice already, the inside of the marshmallow has like a frostingy, crumbly chocolate. The marshmallow is super, what is the word we have to call it? Superly crumbly chocolate, and the marshmallow is really soft and gooey, which is really nice. The chocolate inside is actually more like a frosting chocolate. Really neat back of the packaging because it says roast, smush between graham crackers, and enjoy. Let's see. Serving size is 2 marshmallows. And if you're an adult that likes s'mores, that's not enough. Anyway, so I had roasted some ahead of time so that I could see how it roasts. And I can say that once it roasts, the marshmallows are super gooey and spiderwebby.
And sticky.
Mm-hmm.
Water. Just need water.
Agreed. After all that sugar, need some water. Minion 4. What did you think? Did you like them roasted, or which hand did you like? Roasted or unroasted?
I liked it unroasted.
You liked it unroasted? What about you? You didn't like them at all, huh?
Yeah.
Minion 3. You didn't like them at all, huh?
Yeah, he does not like chocolate, marshmallows, chocolate and marshmallows. He does not even
So he
like
doesn't.
it.
He didn't eat any s'mores?
Yeah, he did not like it.
So you did not like it at all, huh?
Yeah, he does not like roasted or unroasted.
I think out of the two, I actually liked it roasted because the chocolate was kind of crumbly in the unroasted, whereas when it got melted, it kind of became one with the marshmallow, as you can see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing this video, and yeah. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.